What's up guys, it's your girl Seynt here from Seynt.com. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Snapchat filters for your Instagram stories, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make 2 videos a week and I share tips, tricks and tutorials on how you can boost your Instagram game. So if this is the type of content that you're into, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. I don't know what you think, but I reckon that Instagram's filters suck. And I reckon that Snapchat wins hands down with their filters. I want to show you how you can use their filters and put onto your Instagram stories. So first of all, you must have a Snapchat account. So if you already do, make sure you log into it. If you haven't yet signed up to Snapchat, you must do that so that you can access their filters. So I'm going to show you here. I guess the most popular one at the moment is the baby one. Look how smooth my skin looks. Anyway, so this is a fun filter to have. So this is the baby filter and I don't know, I kind of look, I haven't changed. Oh, my face looks a lot wider, which is kind of funny. And my skin's definitely a lot smoother, which I love that. Let's try another filter. No, I think this, oh yeah, oh no, that one's not good. No. Okay, now I'm just playing around with it. I think this one's really cute. Well, of course, if you're a guy, you probably don't want to use this. Where's the one where you can just... I think, oh, maybe not. There's one where you don't have to put makeup on. Okay. Even something like this. My skin seems a lot smoother. I look great in these glasses. And of course, all you need to do is record yourself on here talking. And once you're happy with the video, what you need to do is save it. So now it's saved onto your camera. You can go ahead and go into your Instagram account and then post onto your stories as per normal. There you have it. That's how you can use Snapchat's filter for Instagram stories. If you have any other questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. That's all from me for now, and I will see you on my next video. Show you how you can use their filters. I'm going to show you how you can use their filters. Oh my God.